The glorious King of Tantras that resolves all secrets, Sri Guhya Sarvacchinda Tantra Rāja. The final teaching. Next, the Blessed One spoke on resolving. Having meditated authentically on the Great Seal, without understanding that the wrathful dances and the seals are merely an illusory display, one will be born as a haughty spirit, one of the kings of the 8 charnel grounds, devoid of compassion, an eater of flesh and blood. If one enters the outer, inner, concealed, and ultimate mandalas and obtains initiation, one must meditate, recite, and so forth, lest one might obstruct and denigrate the secret mantra. Disparaging any spiritual practice, ridiculing Vajra siblings, disciples with shared tantric commitments, breaking the root and branch Samaya vows, cursing the Lama, by the fruition of these, one will be born as a hell being in endless torment. I have explained that not to understand the significance of the channel chakras of profound interdependent origination is to straddle a blade 16 finger widths long. If one does not understand the hidden secret through the threefold non-observation of the concealed, one will be born below as a hell being. As the wheel of a cart revolves, so will one revolve, due to the maturation of karma. Through knowing it, the very meaning of the view, one's own self-awareness, whatever bliss is desired, self-awareness, whatever illusory display is desired, self-awareness like a crystal orb, basic space and gnosis and so forth, is thus resolved. The meaning of Tantra is threefold. The chakra of great bliss is the causal Tantra. The secret nose tip is the means Tantra. The secret guardian of bliss is the fruitional Tantra. The vase is taught to be the causal Tantra. The secret is the means Tantra. The wisdom gnosis is the fruitional Tantra. Birth is taught to be the causal Tantra. Death is taught to be the means Tantra. The intermediate state is the fruitional Tantra. Tantra means continuum. Its king, which teaches secrets, has taught secrets as fourfold. The vase initiation is secret for beginners. At the time of the vase initiation, the secret initiation is secret. Wisdom gnosis is secret in the secret initiation. Self-awareness is secret in the wisdom gnosis initiation. The secret chakra is the fourth secret. Then the Bodhisattva, Vajragarbha, and an assembly of Dakinis, equal in number to the atoms in Mount Meru, circumambulated the Blessed One 3 times and disappeared. This concludes the glorious King of Tantras that resolves all secrets.